Hi, I'm Shweta. I lead the delivery and capability of business analytics and data science sub-practices at ThouC. I started my professional journey as an asset manager, sales and distribution, and thereon I moved into business consulting for financial services. I played this role for almost 10 years, but after that I was bored and I wanted to do something different. Data science as a field intrigued me and I wanted to explore it, but I was not sure if and how I would fit into a male-dominated industry. I finally decided to take a plunge. I quit my job, enrolled myself in courses, read numerous stories about people who had made a successful transition earlier, and did extensive networking. This gave me the hope and confidence that I could too make it through. I got my first break after almost 3 years of my sabbatical at ThouC. On my first day of joining, I was given a project. The client was an auto manufacturer and the business problem was that of predictive quality. My role on the project was to lead the team both technically and as a project manager. I was joining workforce after almost 3 years. I was scared, I was nervous, and my mind was full of doubts. Thankfully, my then manager Swati encouraged me at every step. I remember the initial part of my project, I spent a lot of time just learning the principles of auto engineering. I also created a data science solution approach, which I reached out to all my seniors for validation. I was full of encouragement and hope, and I wanted to give my best. Today, I lead a team of very bright data scientists and business analytics, and I'm grateful to ThouC for giving me this opportunity. So, if you are someone who is trying to break into this field or trying to create a niche for yourself, my story should convince you that you too can do it. But yes, if you're planning to join the tech industry, I would like to put a caveat. You are signing up for a lifelong learning. Continuous learning is what the tech industry thrives on. It is extremely important to have a beginner's mindset so that you keep learning new things at any and every phase of your career. Women in tech bring a critical perspective that is required for the success of any product or a solution. We as women can shape the industry, the tech industry in the future by supporting each other through networking and mentorship opportunities, offering learning opportunities, ensuring that there is equal representation of women in the tech workforce, and being the role models that every person can look up to irrespective of their gender.